Tulips are fantastic flowers that will grow in a wide range of environments and still reproduce each year. They are categorised in the group of flowers that come back year after year, known as perennials. There are several ways in which these plants can be treated to increase production too, or they can simply be left to their own devices, still flowering annually. The general rule with tulips is that if they are planted at a depth of around 20 centimetres, they will produce one solid flower per bulb, provided they have been in situ for 24 months or more. If, however, you have interest in increasing their numbers, there are two basic actions you can take. These two options involve either producing extra bulbets, like baby bulbs, or allowing flower seeds to form and grow new flowers from those. In the first example, you will need to plant your bulbs at a depth of approximately 8 centimetres, which will encourage your bulbs to reproduce baby bulbs. This will likely result in little or no flowers, but once their season has passed, you can dig them up, separating the baby bulbs and then store them in a dry location ready for planting the following year. It is important to note that when the bulbs are then planted at their preferred depth of 20 centimetres, that flowers will take 24 months to occur again. Alternatively, if you wish to try and produce seeds, simply leave on the tulip heads after flowering for approximately 3 weeks until the seed head swells. Then cut these to dry in a suitable location, ready for onward planting. Remember that these will take approximately 36 months to produce flowers in the future. If you wish to maintain super tulip specimens, remove the head after flowering so that the stem can slowly be absorbed back into the bulb, adding nutrients and strengthening the flower potential for the following season. Please be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and most of all, thanks for watching.